We're going to turn now to the latest on the fight against the coronavirus. The FDA authorized the first round of boosters for the Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines for some people and gave the green light to mixing and matching boosters. Whit Johnson is breaking down the big questions for us. All right, Whit, let's break it down first of all by brand. Who did the FDA say is eligible for those Moderna or J&J boosters?
Robin, good morning. This is confusing, so let's lay it out for you. For people who originally received the Moderna vaccine, eligibility for boosters will be the same as for Pfizer. The third dose is recommended 6 months after full vaccination for those 65 and older, and for those 18 and older at high risk due to underlying health conditions or where they live or work. But unlike the Pfizer booster, the Moderna booster is only a half dose of the original size. Then for those who got the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, booster eligibility is much broader. Anyone 18 and up 2 months after their first shot. Robin?
And you know, the FDA also authorized mixing and matching. Just exactly what does that mean?
So, Robin, this means if you're eligible for a booster shot, regardless of which vaccine you originally received, you'll be able to choose which booster you want between any of the 3 vaccine brands available. This gives people some flexibility here, but most of this conversation revolves around the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. There are early studies that suggest if you first got a J&J shot, but then got a boost from Pfizer or Moderna, you could have an even stronger initial antibody response. But no evidence yet that mixing leads to greater long-term protection.
So what happens next here, Whit? When can people actually get these shots?
So unless you got Pfizer, which is already authorized, not quite yet. Just a couple of more steps here. Today, a CDC advisory panel will vote on specific recommendations. Then the CDC director will give the final sign-off. So millions more Americans will likely be able to get those booster shots by this weekend. And there's one more thing to think about in all of this. The FDA is also considering lowering the age of eligibility, reportedly for those 40 and older, but that issue likely won't be addressed until next month. Robin?
You have stayed on top of this for us, Whit. Thank you. Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.